Hi, Shannon. Here are some comments for your design. So first of all, I have to say you made a really big progress compared with what you had in the last critique, and I believe I feel your luminosity does work well in your design, but I think you do have the potential to make it even better. So my suggestions um, here's my suggestion. So your design has really large area for the darker part, like here and here. So that is a little bit. Definitely, I will make the left part of luminosity a little bit larger, right? Compare with this one because now your design seems like a little bit light, heavy. I mean, compare with the right side of your design. Because if you draw a line in the middle of your design, you can see your design is definitely a little bit light. Well, it's not like really left heavy. I don't know. Anyway, it's just like I think probably just because this is just part of the luminosity, like this one. So that's the reason why it's not like the entire like the column luminosity. So that's the reason why it's look a little bit weird. But well, I believe it works fine. Or you can make if you can just move this part of luminosity a little bit to the left, or you can make this luminosity a little bit larger, or like one or two columns for the third luminosity. You don't have to show off them, but it's more like closure. I mean, is kind of a way to unify your design. Another thing is for I think your the horizontal I know the vertical luminosity works better than the horizontal luminosity. I think one reason for that is the vanishing boundaries, and also for the darker area, the horizontal darker area, that's doesn't work that well. I think I think probably that I think that's probably because the vanishing boundary, like I said, you definitely can make because now the edges really hard, so you definitely need to soften the boundaries. So that's a way to make the luminosity works, like the horizontal luminosity works. Um, and the the lighter part that's you can see the luminosity, but it's really weak compared with the vertical one. Yeah, just let me know if you still have any questions about your work.